As you can already see by the title, bro, I'm about to put y'all on game, bro. A lot of people be asking me, yo, bro, how do you see at night, bro? Your front window's tinted. This is how I see at night, bro. Go and give y'all a little video of what I see, bro, firsthand. And yes, it is dark compared to, you know what I'm saying, no tint on your windshield, but you can still see at night, bro. And I did lose a lot of light from my color changing headlights, but I mean, you can still see at night, bro. Like, this is whole live at night, dark road, no, you know what I'm saying, no street lights, as you want to call them. On the highway, there really ain't no street lights on the highway, so you know it'd be dark. So I'm gonna jump on the highway and show y'all what it's like. But I mean, this is pretty much what you get, bro. Like, this is my side mirror, or my side window. I can roll that down for you. And you compare the difference between my front and the window down. It's not really that big of a difference. This is exactly what I see, bro, at night. Simple. I had a whole lot of people hit me up on my Instagram talking about, bro, how do you see? I mean, it's not that bad, bro. I got 55% on the front, 15 all the way around, 5% on my back glass. Y'all would know that if y'all watch some of my older videos, but I can still see. It's not as bad as people make it out to be. For sure. I'm gonna pull into a parking lot and show y'all what it looks like from the outside, but at night you definitely can't see in. That's at all. The videos that I've recently posted on my Instagram, y'all can see that I've had other people driving my car and you didn't even know it wasn't me, pretty much. So I wouldn't, rating this mod 1 to 10, this is probably like a 5, bro, because I probably would never do it again, because you do lose a lot of sight, especially on like back roads and stuff like that. And I pretty much be scared for other people's concern, you know what I'm saying? Like, if somebody else was to drive my car, how they would, you know what I'm saying, handle the front window being tinted. Other than that, I mean, I know what my car is like, and it's normal for me now. Like, this car compared to my other car, yeah, I can tell a big difference, but I mean, I done got kind of used to it for sure. Would I go darker than 55%? No, I would not. Not at all. You know what I'm saying? So this is literally what I see outside, bro. And she over there blasting her music. But this is 55%, bro. I'm telling you. You will love it if you got good eyes. I don't have good eyes, but it's worth the money. So if I were to rank this mod, I rank it a 5. Would I ever do it again? No, I would not. Not at all. Because I can't even see like the stripes on the ground, bro. Like, I don't see none of that. But at the same time, you just learn to deal with the territory, bro. Comes with it. I don't like people seeing me, so I mean, I did it. I tried it on this car. Next time, like my last car, I had like the little strip that comes down, and my last one was like past the AS1 line, which I think is somewhere over here. But my strip came down past the mirror, and a lot of people couldn't see inside from that. It's a hate it and love it thing, for sure. But I'm gonna go ahead and hop on the highway, drive through a little area with a whole lot of light, so y'all can tell the difference between a lit up area and a area that's just not lit up at all. The highway be black. I'm telling you now, like I be staring at my like the exit signs. Like I'm like, oh bro, what? Alright, cool. I exit here. Like I have no idea what I be looking at, bro, because of the tint. And I don't know how my other boys do it, bro. They be having like 20%. My boy, one of my boys, I ain't gonna say his name, but he had 5% on his car, bro. All the way around. Front full windshield was 5% tint. But we don't have any issues with cops, bro. So it's really something. If you want to do it, you can do it. I wouldn't recommend it, but I mean, it just comes with the territory, like I said before.
Okay, man.
And I might even pull over and let y'all see what it looks like on the outside at night. I just gotta find some little area to pull over in. Should I take it out of eco mode? Yeah. I do drive modes. I always have my car start in eco mode, so let's do track mode. Oh, that's better. It's a whole lot better. That car. What are you listening to? What's that? That was a cop right there. You can tell the difference. 55%, 15%. That's a comparison. But it's not really that bad. It's really not. But I do not recommend it at all. 0%. Zero recommendation on this doggone mod, bro. Because if you can't see, if you one of them people that's blind, stupid. And I actually got out the car, show y'all what the lights look like at night, or what it looks like looking inside my car at night. And it's a well-lit parking lot. 55%. And that's 5% on the back glass. So like I said, 5% right here, 15 all the way around, and then 55 on the front. Usually if I pass cops, I'll open up the sunroof and let the light shine in from the top. But I mean, that's rare, and I rarely drive the car, so I really don't run into cops like that. But I'm gonna hop back into this video. What is that? I need to clean this car too. Well, I'm gonna hit the highway and show y'all what it's like driving on the highway and what I see on the highway. Let's get it. It's not that bad. You still see the signs. Still see other cars. But if y'all do it though, I would definitely recommend staying over 35%. Definitely staying over 35%, because anything lower than that, bro, you playing with your life, bro. hopefully this answers a whole bunch of questions that the people been asking, or the people that's been on my Instagram. And if you haven't been on my Instagram, check that out. I'll put that down below, and y'all can go check out the videos of what made people ask me this question, bro. But I'm glad I can answer this question for y'all. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that. Go back and like my previous videos, and I'll definitely catch y'all in the next one.